Hi everyone, this is Prakash. If I could borrow the one thing from the nature, patience like trees, persistence like the rivers, and I forgot third one. Anyway, which I would borrow. So I have been listening and reading about consistency uh, from the very long time. So I try to be consistent at the work that I really want to improve. So definitely I'm gonna choose like the persistence, just like the persistence of the river. Just see, even the hard material in the wall wood can be cut by the river, the persistency of the river. I have seen the water cut the strong stones. Water has cut the dam due to persistence flowing of river. So river seems very normal, but due to its persistence, due to its consistent flowing, it shows a biggest changes in the nature. I would like to borrow that quality of being persistent what I am doing in my life. Just like impromptu speaking, this is the one quality I try to develop within myself. It's been like 149 days of impromptu speaking is consistently, and I every single day I want to be consistent because I believe something remarkable, a great thing, unbelievable thing gonna happen, that changes might happen in my life. That's why I'm learning every single day, I'm practicing every single day, and I'm trying to remain consistent every single day, hoping that one day I could be better communicator, better speaker. Every single day when I talk in front of the camera, I'm getting better and better, even though I didn't know anything else. Every single day when I talk in front of camera in different topic, I'm getting comfortable at speaking at English level, confronting my fear and going beyond my comfort zone. Look, I was not comfortable while recording in the room, but now it feels safe while I'm only at the room. And every single day, whenever I do this, I'm getting better and better. Just look, the environment is also getting better, and it's better than the outside because I don't have to worry about the what people are going here and there. I don't have to see another place. I don't have to feel any insecure. I have good lighting, I have good background, and it also are these all are improving. Not inside also, but outside also. It's all improving, and it's very easier to do. So main point is about persistence. So in life, to achieve success, persistence and consistency is important. So just like the um, as the topic said, which quality I want to borrow, but yes, this all patience like soil, and persistence like uh, river, and like strong like a stone. These all qualities are good, but here I have to choose one thing. That I choose persistence, and in persistence, discipline comes, consistency comes, all things comes, and patience also comes. So that's why smartly I'm choosing this one. Because once there is a saying, compound effect is a way to water the world. In persistence, when we discipline, when it consistent, there is there is compounding. Compounding is happening. So there is a wonderful thing is happening. Wonderful thing, whatever we invest, whatever we are persistent at, that will gonna be a wonderful. So since I'm in the journey of wonderful, and I'm very excited that point where I will get breakthrough, where I could grow very exponentially, and I feel good at myself because my work has paid me. Okay, so in conclusion, I want to say that patience is also good quality, just like the plant has, and the the strength of the mountain. Yes, the strength of the mountain also is strong, strength, and it also good, and the persistence and perseverance of the water flow, river flow. That is excellence quality that I really fascinated about. So if you guys also wanna choose among these, which you gonna choose? Let me know. This is day 149 of impromptu speaking. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Goodbye. Bye bye.